Hannibal here, and I want to talk to you guys about the power play that DoorDash is putting out there to entice people to take these low ball offers. Actually, I was just sitting in the car firing up YouTube and I saw a video from a fellow dasher, Valdestot's voice. I think that's the name. I am terrible with pronouncing names, but he's a really good channel. Check him out. I'll put his link in the description. And he got a message. Him and his wife got a message. They're in Tennessee. I'm in New York City, about the Top Dasher program. I screen capped it, but I want to read it out as well, just so everyone understands what the message is. Top Dasher status could be yours. Qualifying as a Top Dasher will now give you priority access to high-value offers, customers' orders of $35 and above, helping you get up to 50% more of these delivery opportunities on average. To unlock Top Dasher status, complete the following between blah, 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 blah. You got to do all this. Basically the same thing as Top Dashers. So keep in mind the metrics may not be the same as you see in app. We'll send you email updates so you can track these. I did not receive this message, so this is definitely DoorDash playing and experimenting. Us Dashers are basically a part of a project. We're a part of a science experiment. They are testing things to see what bites, which works and what doesn't work, right? So everyone kept saying, well, the paid model, it was there for a while, but it's not. It may not come back. Don't worry about it. Well, unfortunately, it's important that you should worry about it. They're making dramatic changes. Why? Because they need to get these no-tip offers out the restaurant. DoorDash will do whatever it takes to get people to take these offers. And now, Top Dasher status is going to be the way they play this up. Now, there's no surprise about this. DoorDash needs to get these orders out the door. People who don't tip still want to get their food. DoorDash has to find ways to get the food to the clients. DoorDash wants us to be true hospitality workers, diners, basically, waiters and waitresses and bartenders, people who just take every single person and hope that they get a good tip. The acceptance rate for a waitress is basically every table that she takes, or he or she takes. They can't not take a table. They have to take the tables because they're working, right? Some tables are going to be great tips, and some tables are going to be garbage tips. She cannot figure out, keep saying she, he or she cannot figure out the tips beforehand. Maybe by the way they dress, maybe how nice they are, how much food they're ordering. Those things, basically the same thing as when you look at a Dash offer, how many items, how far is it, blah, blah, blah. However, DoorDash wants you to guess. They want you to take as more offers and hope that you get the high tips. That's why the tips will continue to be hidden. I don't see that changing anytime soon. And we have another question here, guys. Let's really think about it. Why are they continuing to hire more Dashers? There's clearly an influx of people. There's too many people. Things are extremely slow. Many markets. A lot of people are complaining about how slow it is. But you still see big referrals, right? Hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get more people to get into a platform that there's too many people in general. But the thing is, it's oversaturated, but also there's a lot of people not taking lowball offers. And that's the reason why they will continue to hire new people. They want new, fresh faces who don't know all the ins and outs of the game to get on and sign up. They actually probably would not be all upset if the people who've been there the longest, the people who are probably in their eyes the most jaded, the most knowledgeable, to get off the platform. So the new people continually, without really a lot of knowledge of the game, go out there and deliver these bad offers. They don't even know that they're bad offers. They want new people into the system. That's how it's going to work. They're looking at us people, the ones who have been there for quite a while, who have low acceptance rates. You know what they look at us at? Imagine you worked at a company and you worked there, you've been doing it for 30 years. The company can't wait for you to retire. Why? Because you've been there very long, you get paid a lot, and you know all the ins and outs of the game. And they thinking, man, we could get another person just started and get them to probably do more work for less pay. So what they do, they try to find ways to get you to retire or get you to quit. And they can't wait for you to quit or retire because they can get someone else to do the same thing for less money. So that's what all it is, guys. They're going to they're going to continue to experiment with us because they have too many drivers out there. They can easily just pick up new drivers. They have all these incentives. They have all these referrals. People are referring their friends and family to use DoorDash. So even if that person who's so jaded, right, in their mind, so jaded, and they don't want to do this anymore, they're like, you know what, this is ridiculous. There's too many changes. The new person doesn't know the changes. So they're just thinking, oh, wow, this is pretty good. I'll stick around for a while, and then the cycle continues. And as for the top dashers, I mean, they want to incentivize people to continue to take bad offers. So now they're going to give you the best offers, right? If you are a top dasher. I still won't be a top dasher. I have no interest in being a top dasher. But for the people who either who are top dashers or close to it, they're going to look at this as a benefit. Oh, wow, all my terrible offers and all the work I've been doing is finally going to be recognized. But is it really going to be recognized? Are you going to really get that much more money compared to someone who cherry picks? I don't know. But you can tell by these moves that DoorDash is doing, they are going to try to kill cherry picking as much as possible. They want new people to keep coming into the system, and they're going to do whatever it takes to maximize profitability. So we have to make a change as well. We have to figure out how to change the game, because it's a cat and mouse game. And right now it's $1 billion company on one end and it's just little old us on the next. So what should we do about the situation? Put in the comments below. Put your thoughts in, what you think about what I have to say about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.